Right now, you're staring at a YouTube goldmine that quietly earns over $10,000 every single month. And the crazy part is, the creator never shows their face, never records their voice, and still cashes out from a niche most people are sleeping on. This isn't gaming or faceless motivation videos. It's the AI audiobook niche, a system that turns simple scripts into full videos using free AI tools. And before you assume YouTube won't monetize this, think again. These channels are fully approved and monetized. And after 14 days of deep research, I finally cracked exactly why they pass YouTube's reused content checks. So in this video, I'll show you the 5-step formula to build your own faceless audiobook channel, from finding viral topics, generating scripts, creating voiceovers, editing visuals, and designing click-worthy thumbnails. Stick with me because missing even one step could mean the difference between a reused content rejection and a $10,000 a month channel. No long talk. If you're ready, smash that like button and let's dive straight into it. Step 1. Audiobook idea and scripting. When it comes to creating profitable audiobooks, we don't guess. We copy what's already proven to work. Here's how. Go to any successful audiobook channel like Audiobook Zone. Filter their videos by most popular, and you'll instantly see what topics are pulling massive views. Those top videos are your goldmine. They prove exactly what the audience wants and what YouTube loves to promote. Now, I've already done deep research for you and created exclusive AI prompts that generate original audiobook ideas based on proven viral topics. You can grab the prompt document from my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Once you download it, copy prompt 1 and paste it into ChatGPT. In seconds, you'll get 10 unique audiobook ideas, each with attention-grabbing hooks. If you want more, just tell the AI to give me 10 more ideas, and it will keep going endlessly. Next comes scripting, and this is where the real power kicks in. Copy prompt 2 from that same document and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, add your chosen audiobook title and hit enter. What happens next is magical. The AI will automatically generate a full structure for your audiobook, a strong hook, 10 chapters, and a powerful conclusion. Let me show you what that looks like. Most people aren't controlled by others. They're controlled by their emotions. Every impulse, every reaction, every burst of anger or craving is a chain, and most live their whole lives never realizing they're wearing one. Self-control isn't restriction, it's liberation. The ability to stay calm when others panic, to stay silent when others lash out, to choose response over reaction, that's real power. Because the moment you master your emotions, you stop being a slave to circumstance, and you finally become free. Now tell me that doesn't sound like a viral audiobook already. Once that's ready, use prompt 3 to expand each chapter individually. Copy your hook, the first chapter, and conclusion into a document. Then repeat the process until all 10 chapters are done. And if you're still watching at this point, that means you're not just curious, you're serious. You're about to enter the part that separates hobby creators from $10,000 per month audiobook channels. Let's move to step 2, professional voiceover. This step can make or break your channel. The quality of your voiceover determines whether YouTube flags your video as synthetic or approves it for monetization. So here's the rule. Your audiobook must sound human. To make that happen, start by taking the script ChatGPT generated for you and tweak it manually. Change a few lines, personalize your ending, and inject natural phrases, things real people would say. That simple tweak is what YouTube calls original commentary. Next, clean up your script. Remove extra punctuation marks, emojis, or special symbols that might confuse the AI voice engine and make it sound robotic. A clean script equals a smooth, natural voice. Now let's talk about tools. If you can afford premium quality, use 11 Labs. It offers the most realistic AI voices available right now. But if you're on a budget, Clipchamp, which is completely free, has excellent built-in text-to-speech voices that can still sound human when used properly. Here's how to get it right. Paste your clean script into the text-to-speech box. Generate your audiobook chapter by chapter. Don't do it all at once. Select a neural, context-aware voice. In the advanced settings, slow down the pace slightly and choose a lower tone. Then hit Generate. Now listen to the preview carefully. If it sounds natural, no robotic echoes, no stiff delivery, then export it as an audio file. Repeat this process for every chapter until your entire audiobook is complete. At this point, half of your work is already done. So if you've made it this far, you're ahead of 90% of creators. Now let's move into what truly separates a regular video from a professional one. Step 3. High-quality visuals. Your visuals are what separate you from thousands of other audiobook channels. They need to look crisp, high quality, and professional, because that's what instantly builds trust with viewers. Your main visual will be your book cover, which also serves as your thumbnail. Head over to canva.com and type in book cover template and browse through the free options. Pick one that fits your style and start customizing it. Use bold, clean fonts just like the top channels in this niche. Stick with colors that match the motivational or self-help vibe. Shades like deep red, gold, yellow, or royal blue work really well. Keep it simple, elegant, and eye-catching. Your book cover needs just 4 key elements: a strong title that is short, powerful, and clear, a one-sentence hook that sparks curiosity or emotion, a relevant image that represents your topic, and finally, your channel name written as the author. This helps build your brand identity. For example, my audiobook is about self-control. So I went on Pinterest, found an illustration that fits perfectly, removed the background, and added it to my cover. When you're done, download your final design as a high-quality PNG or JPEG. This will make sure your cover looks clean and sharp on any screen. Now that we have our audio and book cover ready, this becomes our first layer of visual professionalism. It's the foundation of your monetization defense. Next, we're moving into the fun part, video creation. We'll be using CapCut, and don't worry, the editing is very simple. But the way we'll do it is what separates an average video from a professional one. Step 4, editing your audiobook video in CapCut. We're now going to bring everything to life. First, we need a background. Go to Pinterest and search for office table with plants. Look for a clean, realistic background image where your book can sit naturally. Once you find one, download it. Now open CapCut. Import your background image, your audiobook cover, and your audio files. Drag your background into the timeline. Then place your book cover on the table, just like it's sitting there in real life. Next, drag your audio files into the timeline chapter by chapter. Make sure both your background image and book cover stretch to match the full video length. Now, we don't want a static image, so let's add motion. We'll use an audio spectrum. Import your audio spectrum and drag it into your timeline. Then slow it down a bit, then copy and paste it until it covers the entire video. Finally, place it neatly on the right side of the screen. You can also add a soft filter underneath, just to make the background look more dynamic. This gives your video the professional touch most channels skip. Now, let's take it a step further with something powerful: scrolling subtitles. This is one of the biggest secrets to getting monetized faster. Inside CapCut, use the automatic subtitle generator to create your captions. Once they appear, go through them one by one and manually highlight the exact words being spoken. Change the color of the active word so it moves in sync with the voice. Yes, this part takes time. It's repetitive and it might feel boring. But this single detail separates approved channels from rejected ones, so don't skip this step. Once your subtitles are done, your video will already look 10 times more professional. Now it's time to export it and get ready for your final step. Step 5, your audiobook video thumbnail. Your book cover looks great, but your thumbnail must be irresistible. It's the first thing viewers see, and it decides whether they click or scroll past. Head back to Canva and open a new YouTube thumbnail design. You can start from scratch or use a ready-made template. Begin with your high-resolution book cover as the base. Then overlay a bold text box that instantly grabs attention. Use short, emotional phrases that spark curiosity. Something like, master yourself before the world does, or control your mind, control your life. Simple, powerful, and emotionally charged. That's what makes people click. Try both versions and test which performs better. Once you're happy, export your thumbnail as a high-quality PNG or JPEG. And that's it. Your entire system is complete. You've created a fully monetizable AI audiobook video in a proven viral niche. You've avoided the reused content trap by following one golden rule and adding transformative value. Don't just watch this tutorial and move on. Take action now, because the creators who start today are the ones earning tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dive tutorials like this. Now, check out the next video showing on your screen, and I'll see you there.